Pandemic has caused a few problems for the Hurricane Alley roller derby team. They're unable to hold any home bouts, and when they used to have 7 or 8 a year.
Come through!
Who doesn't like watching women hit other women?
There's a lot of appeal to roller derby,
I don't like roller derby, you hit people, you knock people down.
and it's empowering for the women who participate.
You feel awesome. You feel invincible and strong.
But why is this team practicing outside?
We don't have a home.
Yeah, right.
No,
We don't have a home.
When COVID hit, we lost our practice facility because they were a government facility, and now that COVID's over, they're renovating their facility, so they're out for like about 3 years.
The team started practicing again earlier this year for the first time since the pandemic started. They were practicing in the parking lot at Water's Edge Park, but they were told they couldn't do that anymore.
The Portland Community Center has allowed us to come out here. So far, it's been the only facility that we've been able to have steady practices at.
Despite the pavilion in Portland being small and having to share it with others in the community, they make it work. But they're still looking for a place they can practice and hold their bouts.
But it's just really hard to find indoor facilities that allow people to skate on and a big enough space that you'd be able to actually skate on, because a lot of places aren't big enough.
Or that's not going to charge an arm and a leg, because we
Right.
are a non-profit organization.
The Hurricane Alley roller derby is trying to add members. They have a fresh meet practice on Sunday. If you're interested in joining or know any facilities the team can rent, reach out to them on Facebook. Now you can find the link by scanning this QR code. That'll do it for sports. Stay tuned for a final look at weather.